In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reporting tags in Zoho Books. Reporting tags are a powerful way to slice and dice your financial data without complicating your chart of accounts. Think of them as labels you can attach to transactions, customers, or items so you can later filter your reports by things like branch, department, or product type. Let's walk through how to set them up and use them in your reports. First, let's create your reporting tags. In Zoho Books, go to the Settings area in the top right corner. From there, look for the Customization section and click on Reporting Tags. This is where you'll manage all your tag categories. To add a new one, click the New Tag button. You'll be asked for a tag name. Choose something meaningful, like branch, region, or product type. This name is the category under which all your tag options will live. Next, you'll add the options for that tag. For example, if your tag name is branch, you might add options like north and south. If your tag name is product type, you could add options like hardware and software. Take a moment to think about the main ways you want to analyze your data later and set up options that cover those needs clearly. Once you're done adding options, click Save. Remember, Zoho Books allows you to create up to 10 reporting tags, so use them strategically. Now that your tags exist, you'll want to associate them with your transactions and optionally with customers or items. For transactions like invoices, bills, or expenses, open a new transaction or edit an existing one. Scroll down to the item table section. Here, look for the More icon. Then click Show Additional Information. This reveals extra fields, including the reporting tag dropdown. Choose the appropriate tag option that applies to that line or transaction. Tagging consistently is important because that's what makes your reports accurate and useful later on. Once your data is tagged, you're ready to generate reports based on those tags. Head over to the Reports module from the left sidebar. Choose the report you want to analyze. A common one is the Profit and Loss report. After selecting it, click Customize Report. In the Customization panel, you'll see options to filter using your reporting tags. Select the tags and tag options you want to focus on, such as a particular branch or product type. Finally, click Run Report. Zoho Books will generate a version of that report filtered by your selected tag options, giving you a focused view of your financials that aligns with how you actually run your business.